So Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I've just set up here to pump this roof with cellulose fibre insulation, and you can see the roof goes out that way. And I've lifted a sheet and I've come inside and I've put my manhole cover in here already for that. But they've got a little bit of rolled blanket in here, and you know, somebody put it up here thinking that some insulation's better than none, but this is actually, you know, not even better than none. It just makes a home for rats and things up in your roof. You can see here, like, it's laid across the joists and there's gaps everywhere. Everywhere where you've got a hole in between the bats, or that, is a place where air can get underneath the bat, and if air gets underneath the bat, then there's no point in having it. The hot air just moves under the bat and then heats through into the home. Now, the other thing is, they've only done one little piece in the middle of the roof near the manhole, and then they've given up on it. But that much insulation doesn't do anything. 5% gaps will ruin your efficiency by 70%, and there's probably only, you know, 15% of the job done here. So at most, and the bit that's done is not done particularly well. So, all right, that's why we hop in and fix it up for them.